Hi everyone, so we will go to the next question. Is twoSum. So I often use ChatGPT to speak out loud the requirements first, and then I try to repeat it. Now we can do it right now.
Given an array of integers, nums, and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order.
Given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers that they add up to the target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, now we can see example. We can see input and output. Yes, so that means there are some text we need to highlight. An array of integers nums. Yes, and a target. Then we need to return the indices of the two numbers. Okay, they add up to the target. So that means we always have at least one solution. No, not at least, it should be only one. And we cannot use the same element twice. And the answers can be in any order. Okay, like usual, as usual, I often rewrite the requirements first. We will input and output. Input, what do we have? Let me see. Okay, I hope that you can see it easier. Input, we will have an array. Okay, we have a target. Okay, I will write it here, and then this will be better. Output, an array number here, but this should be index. Okay, let me try to explain. For example, we have input A, B, C, D. We have target equal K. Okay, target T, and output we will have index of number 1. No, we should use something different. Index of first number, index of second number, right? Okay, for example, we have A plus B equal D. So what do we have? The return should be 0 and 1, or A plus D equal T. So we should return 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay. Now I will try to analysis this one. I don't remember what the analysis or analytic. DJ verb. Oh, analyze.
The verb form of analysis is analyze.
Analyze. Okay, analyze. Okay, analyze. Yes, analyze. Perfect. Okay, so what else? Analyze. Okay. We need to read really careful about this one. Okay, I let it here. Okay. So sometimes we need to read all the information and arrange it inside our brain first. For example, in this one, we need to make sure that we read this one. You may not use the same element twice. So that means one element only display one time. Oh, I think I should explain this one first. We have to return an array of indexes of two number that they add up to target. What does it mean? It means we need to create a new array or map. I don't know what thing we need to create. Okay, so that means we need to create map because yes. Okay, perfect. The reason we don't use set because you can see this one, and the important that we will have a key and value. In this situation, it should be the number and index. That's why we use map instead of set. Okay. So the solution is I think it's little simple. By we will create a loop and map. No, if we use this one, we can easy to make something wrong. So I will for each for loop. Then what? Then check if and create a complement. For what? Okay, we assume that the target does current number equal complement. So what does it mean? So if the complement is in the this one will be with star map. Well, you see in the star map. Okay, so we only return the value of current, the index of current number and the value of complement in the star map. Okay, perfect. If not, otherwise we will add the current number into the star map. Okay, perfect. Okay, how to do it? We need to create a new map. Okay, const start map equal new map. Number. Remember, number right here is the number in the original array nums, and number here is will be index. First number, second number is index. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we will create a loop. Let I equal 0, nums dot I smaller than nums dot length I plus plus. Okay, perfect. Anything else? And then let complement equal target dash nums I. In fact, we should create let current num equal num I. Yes, this should be right here. Okay. If start map dot has complement is symbol return first star map not get index. Yes. Okay, I think you can understand this one. We check if the storm map has the complement. Yes. Okay. Else start map dot set complement index. No. Yes, this one should be correct. Okay, I think so. Okay, as we need to make sure it's will return right here. We have this one. Return. Yeah. It will never reach here as we always have a solution. Okay. You delete the okay. Okay. Yeah, you delete okay, perfect. Now we test with it. Let me check. Yes, it's correct. Okay, what is nice? We will try this one. Yes, you see, perfect. So this is third twoSum. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.